Here's a 2016 Chevrolet Cruze Limited. Touches of character, just the right amount of sportiness, and the cargo space you'll need to do all the running you do. It comes with features you need, and better yet, want. External memory control, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.